Oh my God. I'm riding along, minding my business in Conyers. I spot the LA Fitness, and I know that right after you get done working out, what better place to visit for a delicious, nutritious treat is a Chick-fil-A. And ladies and gentlemen, that Chick-fil-A is closed. Whoa. I've never seen a Chick-fil-A be closed before like that. Like, what? What happened? I hope that's not like a sign of things to come, chicken wide. Wait, I see another Chick-fil-A sign. Did they open? Oh my gosh, they opened a new Chick-fil-A right down the street. You sneaky sons of guns, look at it. New and improved. Chick-fil-A is here to stay. Oh my gosh. And right next to my bank. Woo! Boy, y'all had me for a second, boy. I swear to God, they had me. Woo! And they even got a table over here for family to eat some Chick-fil-A together. That's what I call family togetherness. Oh, yes. I don't even mind being stuck in Chick-fil-A traffic right now. I'm not going there, but woo! That was quite an emotional roller coaster the last 2 minutes. My goodness. Thank you, Jesus.